Hi, I'm Julie at Anderton. We lost our home in a wildfire and we chose LUX Homes to rebuild the project. We chose LUX Quality Homes after a process of interviewing a number of other contractors. Brad's attention to the priorities within our build, how creative, resourceful, and authentic the company is and the people that work with LUX Homes really allowed LUX to stand out in the process of our selection. LUX was really effective in walking us through the kind of materials that we needed to build within a wildfire area. So we have concrete siding, we have metal roofing, we have some wood soffits treated with a product to be more fire resistant. We've surrounded the home with patio areas and also some landscaping to add to that fire protection element. I was very involved in selecting the finishes for this build. Very useful that LUX uses the co-construct because it really allowed us to organize these selections and place them within a schedule and a budget that allowed us to keep on track for the project. Their communication in that process has been excellent. I've been able to just pick up the phone and have conversations with each of the staff members to overcome some of the challenges and really get to the end goal of feeling that sense of client satisfaction. One of the things that I appreciated most about working with LUX Homes is their ability to have the goal of the client in mind, to get to the end of the project and look around and feel that excitement with the home that they've constructed with you. I've really enjoyed working with LUX Homes on this build. They were able to bring a lot of creativity and resourcefulness to building this home in a very challenging construction environment. Coming out of a wildfire, we're building post-COVID, so supply chain issues, labor shortages, we have new regulations here. They've really been able to work through all of these challenges and deliver a product that we've been very satisfied with the outcome of. So now that we've reached the end of the project, we are enjoying the space and we've been able to invite family and friends and feel really proud of how the vision has translated into this very relaxing, peaceful atmosphere.